Hello friends, today we will learn 20 lines on summer season. So let's start. Summer is the hottest and most exciting season of the year. It comes after spring and brings long sunny days. Schools close for vacation, giving children time to play and relax. Families visit beaches, hills or parks to beat the heat. We enjoy juicy fruits like mangoes, watermelons and ice cream. Swimming in pools or rivers is a favorite summer activity. Bright flowers bloom and trees provide cool shade. People wear light clothes, hats and sunglasses to stay cool. Summer nights are perfect for stargazing or storytelling. Birds chirp loudly and butterflies flutter in gardens. Some days are very hot, so we drink lots of water. Farmers work hard to grow crops under the sun. Kite flying and cycling are fun outdoor games. Many festivals like Eid or family picnics happen in summer. We must apply sunscreen to protect our skin from the sun. Sometimes thunderstorms cool down the weather. Fireflies glow like tiny stars in the evening. Summer holidays let us spend time with friends and family. Though the heat can be tiring, summer is full of joy. It leaves us with happy memories until it returns next year. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.